Hello children, how are you? We have learned many things. We learn many subjects, many matters about history, about geography, about maths, about science and many subjects. But today in our health educations, we are going to have a very simple informations. We are going to know about our own body. How is our body made of? How it functions? What is its general structures? Human body is a machine which is made up of many living structures, living cells. So the cells are very tiny building blocks of our body that makes our body, and all the functions of our body are regularly performed by them. Multicellular organisms are called metazoa. We are much developed organisms. So our body is made up of many cells. Every living activities like reproductions, respirations, excretions, our growth are carried out by cells. Therefore, a cell is called a functional and a structural unit of our life. This is so small that cannot be seen by our eyes. The cell has various parts. So the structure itself is prepared here. Cell has outer structures which is called cell membrane. The middle and the central part of the cell that used to control all the functions of cell is called nucleus. And many of other parts are mentioned here in the figure. All the parts of our body are not made up of the similar types of cells. They are different. Different parts of our body are made up of different type of cells, so that these different cells used to combine and form the groups. So the group of cells having a similar structures and characteristic to form the other parts of our body, that part is called tissue. So the meaning of tissue is the group of similar type of cells with the similar characteristic and functions. There are 4 different type of cells found in our body. Number 1 is epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue is found in the outer parts of our body. Muscular tissues have made our muscles. Connective tissues, the example of connective tissue is our blood. Nervous tissue is the part of our nervous systems, or the nervous tissues have formed our total neurological system. Similarly, other very important parts of our body are called organs. These organs are formed by the combinations of many tissues. So the group of many tissues form a particular parts of our body that has a definite shape, size and functions are called organs. For example, our heart, lungs, kidneys, they are formed by the collections of many tissues and they have specific functions. The same way, other parts or the bigger parts of our body is made by the collections of different organs and tissues. They work together in a collective way for completing the certain functions, which is known as systems. So that the group of different tissues and organs that work together as a single unit to complete a specific functions in human body is known as system. Many systems work together to form a complete human body, and a complete human body consists many systems that we have in our body. Let's know the name of them. Number 1 is skeletal system. Number 2 is digestive system. Number 3 is circulatory systems. Number 4 is urinary system. Number 5 is reproductive system. Number 6 is glandular system. Number 7 is muscular system. Number 8 is nervous systems. And number 9 is respiratory system. Skeletal system is system of bone that has given us a particular shape, structures and size to our body and given the strength to erect our body. That is a skeletal system. Digestive system is a systems to get the energy. We eat varieties of food. They are being digested and provide us energy and helps in the growth and development of our body by the collective functions of many digestive organs. Circulatory system is systems of blood circulations in which our heart, blood vessels and blood, they work together to complete the functions of blood circulations for keeping our body surviving. Urinary system is a systems to excrete out the waste material from our body in the system in the form of urine. It has kidney, ureters, urinary bladders and urethra as a main organs to work here. A reproductive system is a systems to generate the own new kind by the living organisms. So human beings produce their new generations by the reproductive systems to continue the human life on the earth. Glandular system is a systems and the functions of many glands containing in our body. Glands are a specific cells that used to secrete the chemical substance called enzymes and hormones. They used to motivate all the organs to functions well for surviving, for regulating the body functions. Muscular system is a system of muscles. Our skeletal systems is being covered by the muscles and given a graceful shape to our body, that is by muscular systems. Respiratory system is a systems of the inhalations of oxygen from the environment and as a waste product produced by the body. Carbon dioxide, its exhalations from the body. So regular supply of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide is a continuous process of human body that is being completed by the group of respiratory organs called respiratory system. Nervous systems is the most important system of our body that is made up of neurons, which are called nervous tissue, and our brain, our spinal cord and many neurons are working together for giving us a sense and to make our life conscious. Thank you so much.